I almost quit YouTube. After putting in hours of work, I uploaded my first videos and nobody watched. No likes, no comments, just silence. And honestly, it felt pointless. But then something unexpected happened and that changed everything. So if you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but feel like it's not worth it if no one watches, this video is for you. So when I started, I had this idea that success meant views and subscribers. I'd upload, check my phone every 5 minutes and nothing. So I told myself, maybe I'm just not good enough. Maybe this YouTube thing is just a waste of time. But instead of quitting, I made a decision. I would keep going even if nobody watched. So I focused on improving my speaking, learning basic editing, and just making videos that I genuinely enjoyed making. And then one day, I got my first real comment. Things like, "This is a really good video," and just keep going. And that's when I realized that YouTube isn't just about getting thousands of views or subscribers. It's about growing, learning, and connecting, even if it starts with just one person. So if you consider starting a YouTube channel, here are some of the biggest lessons that I have learned on my YouTube journey this far. Number one, YouTube makes you better even if no one watches. It helps you develop skills in public speaking, video editing, and storytelling, skills that are valuable in any career. And you become more disciplined and consistent by committing to something over time. And you also clarify your thoughts and gain confidence in expressing yourself. And the second thing is that nobody starts with an audience. Everyone starts at zero. So your first videos will probably get a few views, not many, that's normal. And every creator that you admire was once in your position. Consistency builds momentum and you don't need to go viral, you just need to improve little by little. And instead of thinking of YouTube as a quick way to get rich, think of it as a 5 or 10-year plan. Keep nurturing it and over time, your channel will grow and you will get better. And the third thing is that even small impact is meaningful. A video with just 10 views might change someone's perspective. A channel with 100 engaged followers is much more powerful than 1,000 passive ones. And you don't need 1,000,000 views to make an impact. You just need to show up and share something real. Be authentic, be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. So if you're considering starting YouTube, here's how you can begin today. So the first step is to just start with what you have. Don't overthink equipment. Use your phone and natural light, buy a window or go outside. Record a short video and upload it, even if it's imperfect. Don't try to create a masterpiece. Just keep it short in the beginning. Just get used to recording yourself and speaking on camera and doing simple edits. The goal is just to get started and learn as you go. And the second step is to focus on improvement, not perfection. Set a goal to upload 1 video per week. Each time, try to improve one small thing. Bit better audio, clearer message, better pacing, better storytelling. And step 3, stop chasing views and start creating value instead of worrying about the numbers. Focus on helping one person and engage with the few people who do watch your videos. And always reply to comments and ask questions and start conversations. So your first videos won't be your best, but the only way to get better is to actually start. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time, this is it. Hit record, upload your video, and just trust the process. So if you're thinking about starting a channel, let me know in the comments what is stopping you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.